tutorial video on how to import HTML from a website. So everyone's got access to Google Sheets as long as you've got a Google account. So you've got this amazing tool at your disposal, and you can certainly use it for many purposes. So a very basic thing is to import HTML from a website. So I don't know, maybe for example you're interested in the Premier League and you wanted to get some data into your spreadsheet. It doesn't need to be football, it can be it can be currencies or indices or anything, but for this demonstration we'll just import the league table for the Premier League, right? So there's my team, 6th place. So we want to get that data into Google Sheets so we can play around with it and create some charts and make it look cool. So equals import. See how it populates already. What we want to do is speech mark, and then we want to grab the URL that we're interested in. So copy, right click or Control V. And close that URL with a speech mark, comma, speech mark, table, because that's, we're getting that data table, that's what it's called, and comma, 1, then you close your bracket, and then so that's that. So that's just a quick demonstration. Obviously you can sort and filter the view to perhaps you want to see the team that's lost the most, so we could perhaps do that. So data, create a filter, and yeah, so who has lost the most? So Z to A, Watford have lost the most. So you could probably use this if you were into sports betting. See, Liverpool, Watford would be a team that you'd back, Liverpool, right? But anyway, that being said, that's just a demonstration how to import data into Google Sheets. So quite cool. So once you've got the formula, you don't have to repeat it, you don't have to reinvent the wheel, just paste it, and what you want to do is take out that URL of the URL of your choice, and we are interested in maybe Forex, right? Okay, that's fine, we'll just grab this anyway. And there you go. We'll Control V, which is paste, and then click enter. And what the cool thing is, I'll show you, is that if you don't want that data, because we wanted Forex, right, or maybe something else, I don't know, maybe you want the commodities, what you can do is just simply increment that number by 1 until you get the data you want. So yeah, it's a bit formatted, a bit strange, but it's a demonstration how to do it anyway, and you just keep going over and over until you get your data that you want. So there you go, we finally got the currencies. So that's that. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the Dixie to break out this range. It's not gonna at all break until we get that support. See my video from earlier, and so we're going to probably rally a bit on the risk, and we probably might get some support on the Dixie, but I have to wait and see. I'm not trading at all at the moment until we get out this sideways chop, and I've got an alert on for Dixie at 95.84. we're 95.73, and we are falling on the dollar. So until that actually gets support, I'm not going to touch anything at all, and so that's that. So hopefully it's a good video. Any feedback or likes, subscribe would be cool. And I'm just going to crack on with the football stats and make it look all pretty, and I'll crack on with that. So yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. Have a good day.